Hello, it's Blake Tucker, aka Dr. Inkwell. I don't want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. To celebrate Cinco de Mayo, I'm making a Smoky Margarita. You'll need Blanco tequila like El Jimador, some mezcal, preferably Espadin Joven, Cointreau, lime juice, and I really love the smoked salt and pepper bitters from Monarch in Petaluma. On every tequila bottle you can find a nom. That tells you who made that tequila. In this case, El Jimador is nom 1119, and you can see this bottle of silver Herradura is nom 1119. They are in fact made in the same place because El Jimador is a Herradura brand. So you'll need 1 ounce Blanco tequila, 1/2 ounce mezcal. You'll also need 1 ounce of Cointreau, 1/2 ounce of lime juice, and 2 dashes of smoked salt and pepper bitters. Add some ice. And I like this drink served up. Salud! A little bit of smoke, a little salt. Ooh. That's good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. If you didn't know, I'm the beverage director for Taste Catering. We've created hospitality helps. We're providing meals to those in need during the pandemic. Please donate if you can, and if not, share our message. Thank you very much.